guys, Target Cyclone FPV, and we're getting ready to do a RMA test here, and I won't explain why I'm laughing. I will just tell you that it was kind of funny. So let me go ahead and set my timer, and that will be the song that you hear when the timer goes off. So we have to run this for 5 minutes. Customer says that during the 5-minute run, it'll lose power now. Bless you. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to go, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in. It's on a 2S, brand new 2S battery, meaning it's fully charged, 300 milliamp TBS battery, and we're going to hit start right now. Okay, once we hear that mariachi song, we're going to come back. Now, I won't make you watch it in full 5 minutes. We'll fast forward it by the time you guys see it, but we're going to let it run for 5 minutes right now. Okay, so here goes nothing. I will be right back. I'm actually going to cover this in case I get a, well, no, I'll leave it like that. If I get text messages on here from the boys, they're going to come across, like, will they see it on video? Oh, they're seeing videos anyway, so, hey, Annie Toolkit RC. Okay, yes, everything went well. So, clearly you guys can see the messages that come through, so I'm going to go ahead and just set that off here, and I'll try to do something like this here. Let me show you. So let's do this, and I'll just drag this over to the top of the phone, and hopefully that will cover my text messages. In case my kids write or something, I don't want the whole world seeing that. You guys can watch the timer tick down. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, stop. How do you stop this thing? Stop. There. Okay. All right, so there. We are done. Now, I have no issues here, no heating issues. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually have to stop this video and review it and then come back to it. So give me 1 second. Actually, it's not even gonna matter. I don't think it's turned off at all, and I don't think we've lost any power at all. So, but I was instructed that I could not have a USB port in here during that time. So I'm just gonna give this a shot and see what happens. Not really sure what to do about that. But all right, guys. So I don't know if you saw it, or I mean, we'll review the video. But I'll tell you what. Hold on a second. Let me do this. Okay. All right. So I went back and reviewed it real quickly just now. It's still blinking, by the way, and it did not lose any connection at all. So I do not see the issue. I'm not really sure what else to try. We'll reach back out to the person and ask them again, but let's just say that as far as I'm concerned, this board is not showing any sign of cutting out or losing power in this 5 minutes that I was told. And I was told that it would do it with no peripherals connected whatsoever. So, I mean, honestly, I don't see it. So I'm going to call this one done, guys. That'll be one of our RMAs that's finished, and we'll go to the next one, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.